Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to change your phone number on Venmo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Venmo application. If you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com right here, and if you're on your mobile phone, you're going to open up the Venmo application by downloading it and then opening it up. So once we have opened up Venmo, now we can get started. The first thing we need to do to be able to change our phone number is to log in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and register for an account by clicking the register button right here in the upper right corner or in the application. If you have an account, just log in normally. So go ahead and log in, and once you're logged in, now we can get started. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page that looks like this on your mobile phone, where we can access all the settings that we need and all the sections such as the home section, cards, your crypto, and so on. And now we can get started. And basically guys, to change our phone number, it's very easy, and we are going to do it from the settings. So as you can see in this Reddit thread right here, somebody asked on how to change their number. Basically what we're going to do, once we are logged in, we are going to go to your account settings and change the phone number of or any other account information that we want to change. So where can you find the settings? Well, right here in the bottom right corner, you're going to click on your profile picture. By clicking the me section, this is going to open up your account. By opening up your account, this is now your account main page, and in the upper right corner you're going to have the settings option. So what you want to do is open up the settings. By clicking the settings, this is going to enable you to open up all your account settings, where you can go and manage your security settings. In your security settings, you can go ahead and manage your password, your mobile number, and so on. You can change whatever you want within the account, and basically that's how you can do it. And as you can see, if you're unable to do that or don't have access to your own number, you can go ahead and contact customer support if you need any more help. But basically, if you have your account, you'll be able to do it from the settings, and that's how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.